Greatness is not just about the money. It's about the achievements. It's about doing something that others doubted. It's about listening to the doubters, then making them eat their own words.
Yeah! Look who they are, people!
I'm planning for you and junkyard.
Oh no, this one you know it's
Have a nice day, God love you and God will bless you.
Tell them pass the rum, ice. You bless the woman and fight. Watch how the party turn up tonight. Because we out and bad and the people better we causing trouble. Just watch how we causing trouble. Everybody buying bottles. Well, after we causing trouble. Somebody give me room to wash up the space.
Welcome back to the vlog, guys. So yeah, catching up. So it turns out the man not coming with me on this trip. But yeah, so I already checked in actually, guys. So it kind of was just killing time nearby the airport. But I'm going back. I reach really early for this flight, really early. So just I go now, so can go TSA and go through and just kind of chill out until it's time.
1,000 feet. Use the right lane to exit right.
Yes, I'm gonna play now. I get the aisle seat. It is what it is. I'm just so tired. I can't wait for this sleep. I'm gonna go sleep right now. I'm gonna sleep last night. Basically just been up from yesterday. We went to an event. Yeah, I'm about to the kitchen. I'm gonna get the picture. Remember the previous vlog I was telling you guys that stay tuned, I'll give you a picture. I'm not gonna picture another one. I got but I never like it, so that they have a repeat. Yeah, it's a repeat. But I got some cute selfies, so I did post those to my IG. So if you're not following me, go ahead and check it out. The music kinda loading here, so I guess when I reach Jamaica.
Classic, good morning, welcome aboard JetBlue's flights 10:15.
So, once again, this portion of today's vlog is sponsored by Temu clothing. Okay? Yeah, Temu clothing is here again. I'm so excited for today's package. As you guys know, Temu is a fairly new clothing company. It's very affordable, and I said it in my previous haul. I feel like that is affordable new company. You know, where they're about right now, because they really have the fits that are trending, the vibe that you're going for. And even though it's affordable, it's definitely on the cheaper side, like cheaper side. You could still finesse these fits and wear them out. Like, you don't have to feel pressured into spending bank. Like, you can get a good amount of clothing pieces for a very affordable price and look cute. Like, that is just amazing. And you know, they offer free shipping, so that's really good. And also I do have a discount code. It will be on the screen here. It's OFF6763. Go ahead, use that code, get dollars off. Can you imagine that? They're already so affordable and you're still getting more discount. That's a discount is always so good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And oh my gosh, it is spring. As you can see, the last haul I should get from Temu, I started off in orange, and I'm starting off this haul in orange again. What's wrong with me? I don't know. I'm in the spring vibe because, you know, it's just more sunny now. It's bright outside for a longer time. I love that. But yeah, without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the pieces that I got for today's haul. Let's go. First piece that I'm wearing is the solid spaghetti Ruched dress, and this is the classified sexy sleeveless drawstring mini dress. And this retails for $10.78, and I'm wearing a size small as usual. I'm kind of like doing it like how the model kind of has it, you know. She kind of did one side a little longer than the next, and it's like, you know, it's a really cute date night fit. I feel like it's perfect for date night right off the bat. Going out for drinks or date night. It doesn't have to be a date. You can go out with your girls, you know, just have fun, but it's definitely giving evening sexy kind of vibe. You know, you have those nice like strappy heels. That's the style I'm seeing for it. It's simple, but at the same time has really nice, you know, that nice touch. By the way, the quality, it does feel like, you know, definitely on the thinner side. Okay, you definitely can tell. If you're working with a more expensive version, like the silky vibe would be a little thicker. It would be a little thicker with the feel of it. It's not super thin. It's not giving that, because if it was giving that, I wouldn't wear it out. But it's not giving that. I'm just letting you know that yes, there's a definite clear difference. You can feel it in the material, but it's $10. It's $10. Okay, guys. So when I tell you I love this next piece, this is the grunge style striped solid two-piece set off the shoulder with sleeves. When I tell you I love this fit, believe me, because it's not just a little can. It's $16. I just said it, and it's thick. It's not overly thick. It feel like, you know, when you would purchase clothes from a more expensive place. Yeah, it's actually really thick. It's nice. It's comfortable on the skin. It's soft. What? For $16? And I left my hair up like this because I thought it was cute, like a little bun vibe. It's definitely giving fall though, even though we're in spring. I'm not gonna lie. But I saw it, I said, let me just go ahead and try this. I really wanted to test the quality, and I'm gonna wear it whenever I wear it. I don't care. Plus, to be honest, you can't really wear this in cold conditions because, yeah, so the back is like this, like a nice halter back, and then, you know, yeah. It's definitely giving. It's definitely giving. I'm not much of a skirt girl, to be honest. I don't really love skirts. I don't really love dresses. I don't really love skirts. It's not my vibe, but I do make exceptions here and there. As you can see, you can clearly see that. I wear my skirts here and there, but it's not like, you know, so when you do see me get a skirt, you know, I'm feeling the fit. I am. So yeah, this is how this looks. I really love the look. It is really nice. Let me know what you guys think. Then we'll come on. So I'm trying this style. I see it on other sides as well. There's like this whole vibe that's going on. You know, they got it right with the quality of the fit. Doesn't feel cheap. Next set that I got on is the solid casual two-piece set, drawstring, sleeveless hoodie, and high-waist stretchy short set. And yeah, this retails for $13.68. I got this in peacock blue. Love the blue. Love it. The thing I wish is that these strings were a little shorter. Definitely, I feel like they need to be a little shorter, like maybe right there. So maybe I'll cut those down, yeah, and tie it at the end so it doesn't, like, even though these aren't tied at the end, but yeah, definitely could use shorter strings. But apart from that, loving it. In the picture with the model, what I noticed, hers was a little looser hair there, but you know, it's still a vibe. I definitely feel daytime vibes with this. You could definitely dress this up though, because like the model in the picture, she really wearing it. She has on these boots and then a nice bag to just complement everything. It really depends on you, the person, and how you style stuff. Your taste that you add to stuff. At the end of the day, that's really what it all boils down to. But I'm just giving it to you like at a standard level. Like, yeah, you know, you could really go dressy or you could go very casual. All right, it's really cute. It's a comfy set. It feels comfortable on the skin. The material isn't thin. I love that it's not super thick, but it's not thin. And you know, it has this like, you know, hoodie portion, because as I said, it is a hoodie. And it looks good. The color in my skin, I love it. Shorts, they fit nicely too. They fit nicely. I don't think I would want them any tighter than this. They're pretty form-fitting, but they're not like extremely tight or whatever. Like they're just right. So I am pleased, and the price again is chef's kiss. Amazing. Love it. Spring? Yeah. See here? Yeah. Vibrant. That's what you're looking for in the springtime. I'm clearly feeling myself. Anyways, let's move on to the next fit. This next set that I'm wearing is the striped graphic two-piece tracksuit, casual turtleneck shirt, and sweatpants. And this retails for $21.98. Alright, size small again. I love how chill this is, guys. Super chill, super loungy. That's the vibe I'm getting, that lounge vibe. Long sleeve, definitely know my vibe already. Like what spring now, I can't roll up my long sleeve because yeah, that's just the vibes for me. But I personally, I love like olive green or army green, whatever you want to classify it as. The little simple, you know, striped vibe, that's cool, that's cute. It's giving errands, it's giving comfy chill day, errands kind of day, sort out some business, take care of some bills, go 1 and 2 places, just go take care of stuff on the road. That's a vibe. You comfy little sneakers with it. And yeah, and if it's a really nice day, if it's a summer day, you could wear some slides with this. That is definitely what I'm getting with this. You try little shades and you're good to go. And oh, the fact that they added a turtleneck vibe, well, I wouldn't wear it on a summer day. Take that back, because turtleneck, no, summer day is too hot for this. But yeah, turtleneck vibe, it just add a little pizzazz to it. Really just amp up the look. And the material, let's talk about the material. Definitely not thin. It feels just like a normal, like one of these normal kind of sets. Like, you know, it's not extremely thick, but it's not thin. It's not see-through. It's soft on the skin. I don't feel like I'm gonna start itching all over the place. And like, no. It's sit on, comfortably nice and smooth on the skin, and it's a go. Yeah, it's a little bit more up there because, you know, it's a tracksuit kind of vibe, so I get it, but it's still $21, you know. Yeah, it's a vibe. This next item that I got is the long lace-up drawstring sleeve flat pocket cropped jacket, light blue strappy front denim coat, and this is, oh my gosh, this one is actually $31.49, and I mean, I get it. This is a size small, and I get it. It's so much style going on. It's so much style. These strings on it are super long, so you could just go ahead and tie these up, or you probably could cut them shorter if, you know, you don't want them this long, because it's quite a bit of strings. But let me tell you, this is definitely like an accent piece to the outfit. Like, what? Yeah, it's not just a regular denim top. And that's what I'm gonna say, yo, right now, I feel like, I'm being so honest right now, Temu really got fits. Really got affordable fits. Like, it's one of the hottest new clothing brands. Like, when you come on to price and style, them really know what one. They understand the assignment, and I love that. Because this, yeah, it's not regular. It's not regular. And the denim feel good. It feels just like when I would get denim jacket from some other sites that would be more money. Definitely. So the quality is not lacking. Them have the style on point. It's fitting right. It's a win-win situation. You're spending less and still looking cute. What more could you ask for? You know? What more could you ask for? It looks really good. The back is just solid. Let me know what you guys think about this piece. Like, look. Got details in the front, details on the sleeve, like on the side here and then here, and you know, it's giving that nice little stitched vibe. And then even here, like, they have so much detailing going on this piece, you know. Yeah, I love that vibe, love it. And even though this is not a real pocket, it's still another detailing. Like, they are paying attention to their details, and I love that. Like, this one is the stylish solid crop blouse, and well, this is black. This retails for $13.89. All right, so yeah, I'm just wearing my bra underneath, you know. Yeah, because I didn't want to do too much, but so I could just adjust it like that. But this is really cute. I love the little oversized vibe. It is a size small, so I do love the little oversized vibe. If I'm wearing this, I would definitely I'd probably wear it without a, you know, you can wear it both with a bra or without. It's all up to you, but you know, yeah, just for the sake that I'm just trying it on for this video, I kept on my bra. But I love it's giving like that effortless kind of vibe. It's just giving cool, and you know, it does, the only thing, it has that kind of, you know, that noisy kind of crushy feeling. But I mean, that's the least. When I'm wearing this, I'm definitely going to make sure to iron it, because I noticed that like it kind of crimples easily. So that's what I noticed with the material. The material is not thin. definitely is not thin. I love the detail. I love the detailing, you know, with the pockets. These are actual pockets, and you know, the cuffs on the sleeve, and it's not a button down. It's just kind of like they kind of entwined the whole shirt vibe here. So that's a nice little cute detailing. And then the colors, you know, it's cute. Back is just solid. You could style this up. Like, I would definitely style this up in a dressy way. I just love how oversized and just kind of like free flowing it is. So that right there, yeah. Now this next piece, I was wearing it with the top just now. This is the seamless workout leggings. All right, this is sport fitness yoga pants, and of course this is under the activewear section. This is $9.88, size small. Now this has that butt lifting kind of like Ruched vibe going on in the back, and it's kind of like the trendy vibe right now. This is what the girlies are wearing to the gym, including myself. I have quite a bit of leggings that looks like this, and I love the material, the striped vibe. Like, love it. So comfortable on the skin as well. It's not harsh. It doesn't feel, you know, and it definitely is not thin. So I love that. All right, this one is the Cami top and shorts 2-piece set. This retails for $8.89, and it fits perfectly. Honestly, when I just got it, I was like, all right, I don't know if it's gonna fit me. I don't know. I thought it was gonna be, you know, like stretchy. Like, it is stretchy, but you get what I mean? Like, you know, when you put on something, you can say it's like it's stretchy and not really fitting. Yeah, that's what I thought it was, but it's fine. It's comfy. It's a very nice lounge type of feeling, very soft. The only thing is definitely this material, like on the thinner side, I could definitely feel it, like, but I would wear this on a day where, you know, it's just pretty chill. I'm at home, maybe I have to run out on the road, get something, come back in. I wouldn't necessarily wear this out. I mean, I could wear it, go grab a bite, like a quick bite, like if I'm gonna get a hot dog or a patty or something, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's really chill. It's very cute set. I love the fact that it got pockets, like, yeah. And if you do decide to wear this out, yeah, by all means do. It's your clothes. Like, I see this with some really nice pair of sneakers, actually. Really and truly, like, yeah. Like, ain't nothing wrong. Do what you want to do. Dress how you want to dress. Put on what you want to put on. Like, it's comfortable. It's cute. It's solid. It's a nice, solid vibe. So, I mean, and then they got this little detailing going on here. Yeah, I also got this in pink. I think they probably threw this in there as a bonus. You guys know I'm not big on pink, but guess what? Me and Shami can't match out in these. Don't. Shami can't wear the pink, and I can wear the gray. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing in pink. Like, very much the same thing in pink, because they do have different color options that you can choose from. So yeah, I think they gave me this as a bonus. Thank you, Temu. I got this next set. This is the sexy elastic print pantsuit 2-piece set, and I got this in size small, and this retails for $18.39. No, I tried this on, but this really does not fit. I really want to show you guys how it's supposed to fit. So this is how it's supposed to fit. I'm putting the image on the screen. So this is size small that I got. So I really and truly believe that I would need an extra small in this fit. And I remember in a previous Temu haul, I had gotten something similar to this whole vibe going on, and I did get small and it still didn't fit. So I feel like overall they probably need to tweak these type of sets on the site and make it like more like of a true small. It's giving more of a medium to large, really and truly. It really doesn't fit. It really doesn't fit. It's really very big on me, but I really wanted to show you guys it's the same way. The material feels good. It's not thin. It's nice and thick, and it looks good. I just really wish that it fit. Guys, oh my gosh, that's it for today's haul. I did get quite a bit of pieces, like quite a bit. Like, it was a lot of trying on. It's a lot of work. But I'm so pleased. I'm overall so pleased. The only thing that didn't work out was the last piece that I showed you guys where it didn't fit all the way. But, you know, at the end of the day, like, at least I'm here to guide you and let you know, like, what is what, you know. And yeah, that's that. But for the most part, everything else was really nice, very current, very trendy, and I love that. And it's still very much budget friendly. So let me know what you guys think about today's haul. I definitely will be putting all the pieces that I tried on in my description box along with the links. So if you guys are interested in getting those, you could go ahead and check it out. Or if you want to go ahead and check out what else, you know, the site has to offer, you could do that. And remember to use my discount code, which is on the screen, to get dollars off. And yeah, that's it. Shout out to Temu once more for today's haul. And let's move on with the rest of the vlog. Let's go. Oh my gosh, it feels like I never left. Oh my gosh, no, it feels like I never leave at all. I'm back at home. Oh my gosh, I'm back at home. It feels so good. Guys, I have to stop and get at one KFC. Honestly and truly. And this month just get something, bless me, to just coming back to. I actually feel for it so bad. But today is a holiday too, so you know, it's a little treat. So tomorrow again, we're going to the gym. We're going to the gym. What was costume name?
Icebreaker.
Icebreaker. The one we will model. Yeah, the same one. But the thing is, I didn't mind wearing it again because for the show night, the wing them never did reach. So we never get to model it with the wings. So it's like, you know, we get to still wear something that we didn't wear on stage. And we really love that costume. Usually we don't wear back the one them we model on the stage. But, yeah. We love this one. So this is what we're wearing on the road. So yeah, the work continues tomorrow in the gym. The airport was so full. Like, super full. I'm gonna sleep out the whole of the flight.
I feel like me never can tear this up.
You are. You definitely are. But hey guys, I'm gonna eat something. I'm gonna freshen up and I'm gonna come back. Okay.
Yeah! Look who they are, people! It's not good again.
Yeah. If me come from weekend today, well no, today holiday, it's nice to go beach but holiday too full.
No,
but it's a beautiful bright day. The day is so pretty. Guys, oh my gosh, so guess what? It is hours later. And listen, I was sleep. When I say me that sleep, I slept for such a long time. You see, that's why you know for park face scene. Watch it. So guys, when me that say, I slept the entire afternoon. I think kind of burn like a bit. This is what I like sleeping at the middle of the day. But true, me didn't want. Listen, I never sleep last night, none at all. As in never even lie down once. Not even once. I remember the night before last night we went out. We went to a whole different state. I'm not even telling you that. We went to New Jersey, okay? A whole different... No, I'm not black it. We went to New Jersey, guys. It was a vibe. That's where the picture... If you follow me on Instagram, you don't see me post a selfie. It's really nice. But yeah, so right now I'm at Island Grill. Still stay within the diet because you know I'm not eat rice. So, I'm going to get a Go Light breast and Go Light breast and vegetables, steam veg, and I'll probably get some green planted on the side, lightly salted. And tomorrow we're up in the gym.
Alright, good night. Can you give me a minute, please?
Okay.
You said up the fun, you buy that the company? You can make that with. Hello, stick. I want to see my lap from it, I'm waiting for me, I'm moving.
Look how long she gone. I realize the trip will come up at me. Sister time really reach on. I could think about the food, you know. I think about the box food, I think about Island Grill, I think about KFC, I think about steamed fish over Elsha.
Oh God.
I'm thinking about all the foods. Like I honestly never miss it that much last trip. I did. But this trip, it's like triple that. Triple. And the fact that I'm on a diet, you know, I that too. So I cut the rice and I cut certain things. That's the reason why. So it's like, but after Carnival, I gotta go crazy. But you know, I'm just reading back regular things. I'm usually that of.
Thank you. Hello.
Hi.
Thank you for your patience. You can go ahead, please.
Okay, so can I have a go light with steamed veg?
Go light?
Yes.
Jerk or barbecue?
Barbecue breast.
Barbecue breast?
Yes, and let me get a serving of green plantain, lightly salted. I've just got done with the gym. Listen, perfume. I don't know my everyday experience, so not everyday vibe, but it's so good. Guys, I have my lash appointment. Not right now. It's now 1:30. I'm going to get my salad. I'm gonna pick up my salad. I'm cutting down on carbs heavy this week because this is crunch time. A couple days out from Carnival. Okay. So I'm gonna get my lashes done. I'm so excited. So excited. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to another lash girl today because it turns out Elsie wasn't even available, okay? But I'm going to another lash girl today. She did my lashes before. She's good. You know, so hopefully it turns out good. But yeah, I'm about to head out. And I guess I'll take you guys with me. There's so much I have to do. I have to grab some black dye. I never bother to bring that down because that just doesn't add weight. I'm gonna get that easy here. So I have to grab some black dye to dye my wigs. I have a couple wigs I want to dye black, jet black. The wig I'm wearing to Carnival is I'm doing it jet black. So yeah. Anyways, I just got done with a really great workout, very intense. Go ahead, check out Sue's fitness journey. Guys, look what I'm there. Must say I forgot to collect my salad. Look what I'm there. Market. I couldn't help myself. I forgot medical color doing something. Plus the diet I feel really tight this week. Tight. As I told you a while ago. One little bit of carbs, beer veg. I am like, I've never been this happy to see the produce them. I never so happy, like fresh. You know, we go a little place so we get yam and stuff because y'all see how much yam at cooker. I don't know. Them kind of different. Yeah, so it just tastes different. It richer. You know, I'm just so happy. Alright, so I'm back. I actually went home after I went to pick up the hair dyes. I had my salad, I had some protein. I'm feeling good. And now I'm there for my lash appointment. I'm on time. I'm a couple minutes early. So I'm parked up and I'm gonna walk on inside. And I'm gonna take you guys with me and just have this set over my head because this install is ready to just be off my head. You feel me? So yeah, this is what we're rocking. I'm not even sure which hair I'm gonna go put on after this, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm so busy because when we go, I'm gonna dye them something. Let's go.
Sexy ladies, come wine, feel me slowly. Love you, seen the way to believe I do with the world I've seen her. We are nobody who Jehovah. Not the Lord that they go far. Who's the gold with the labor? That's how they move the shit.
We are about to go collect our costume. They were back us stocking though.
Them supposed to have you.
Guys, I love my lashes so much. Listen guys, I don't know what going on yesterday when I do my eyelash. It's like I feel like okay, so she did go like half an hour longer, but it was like 2.5 hours. Me used to for lie down for like 2 hours. Listen, in the end part there's someone don't know what happened. When she started blow the fan from my eye, and then she had Teen Wolf running on the TV, someone don't know the sounds and something. It's like literally I had to sit up. I don't know if I threw my eyes closed and then may I hear all the sounds. Like maybe because my eyes been closed and then I'm awake for so long. Is like, because usually when I get my lashes done, I sleep for the like first half of the session. It's always like whatever to me. And I'm always fine for the rest of the session. But this is the first time. Like towards the end it was like it's time for my eyes to be open. It was tripping me out. She might do for your lashes them Friday. And then tomorrow I have to wake up early for go to gym, and then we're gonna go and I'm gonna do a pedicure. She might do her nails and everything. I'm gonna just do a pedicure because I'm, you know, still rocking these nails. These go perfect with my outfit and my costume. So yeah, and my lashes do already, but I really love the lashes. She did exactly what I asked her to do. Exactly what I asked her to do. I'm gonna take off that wig later. I don't know if I'm gonna put on the next one later. We were supposed to go out tonight, but yeah. Really and truly, it's just a weekend that's very like compact for us. Like we're going out all weekend. Okay, so that's fully a goal. And then going into next week now, you know, we're gonna be outside. So that's check out Shami Vlog Dimple.
I don't know. Them look sparse. Sparse? Sparse are the word, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Them look sparse. I don't know.
Maybe the color.
Maybe.
That one never strike me. But yeah. Walking in. To collect our costumes, and hopefully everything goes well with it. What about was stuck in finish? Which shade we usually get? Caramel? Yeah.
Can I borrow your ID in the meantime?
Yeah. Great, so I take it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. That is done. We're excited.
Yeah, I get chauffeur driven now.
Oh yeah, now we'll switch it over. She's driving, so that's the vibes. That is the vibes. Guys, moments of the car tripod is.
We're not gonna know it tonight.
No, we're not gonna know it tonight. What for us Thursday? We're not in good hands. What? Oh, she comfortable now when you drive.
Been. She's been comfortable.
Okay, big chamois.
Not the little one.
Okay then. The girl on
the girl then like drivers in her passenger seat and clench her and she can't even vlog cause she you just a look. No problem.
Girl, like, oh shit, Angela road that one. She nearly ain't good. I just had to. No, it's like, look at her.
She's believing in me.
Big chamois. Like, big chamois, not the little one. I'm so proud of you.
Don't touch me. I should still have to do the same time.
You have to, come on, I have to get used to this, because remember, when you're getting comfortable driving, I'm not here.
Yeah.
So you cannot blame me. But I love it. Guys, so we actually added one more event to our list of events. Yeah, so tomorrow night we're going to the Kes concert, and then Friday we'll have Juve, and then Saturday we'll have Sunrise. We're getting some tickets for another event. What name? Hardfet?
We Fit.
We Fit.
We
Fit, which song? That's oh, there were actually an event name song.
Yeah.
That event is so lit.
I wish we could have go, but it's the night before Carnival.
It's the night before Carnival. I will have to get ready. Like we have to like.
I not even buy my ear yet for do my ear, much less.
That sounds so weird for you saying you go buy an ear, because like you got so much hair on your head and you're kind of like a natural girl. Like
what
you don't wear much extension. Oh, what the rotted.
Yeah,
but yeah, so what was it? Yeah, so tomorrow Kiss, Friday a Juve, Saturday Sunrise, and then Sunday is the big shebang.
Jump up
day. I'm so, why this traffic there so?
Jump around.
Oh yes, so that's for 4 days of events. That's not bad. Me not really need. So we just gonna easy tonight. I actually need to do my ear, so I don't know which part I go tonight. I need to do my hair. This hair is still out. This install is still. My mom been telling us I'm gonna take this out, so I'm gonna take this wig off. And I'm gonna go home and dye the wig them. Look how I'm gonna actually end up. Oh guys, I actually posted another chit chat. It was an airport chit chat, like a realistic kind of version. It was really nice, quick and fun. You know, so go ahead. Oh my gosh, remember that 3-product makeup routine I was telling you guys about? That's where I did that. That's where I kind of spoke about that more, and we just kind of, you know, chit chat. And it was, you know, nice. It was a nice vibe. So I'll put the link to that in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. And then next week again, I have one next chit chat phone. So yeah. I can't imagine going to events from like Monday. Would I burn out?
I remember one time going to the CARNIVAL makeup, and this woman come the morning and I get her makeup done and she couldn't stay awake and her lip would have bleed and
oh yeah.
It's a
she couldn't stay awake through the makeup.
Oh my god, enjoy the road march. She's tired.
She tired bad. Her eye them red. Red. I can't participate because I go feel hazy through the event. And then if you drink liquor on top of stale liquor, you ever feel stale later?
Oh
when you feel stale, like if you have a hangover like from the night before from an event or something, and you drink and like the next day come and you still have that staleness upon you, I don't know, for me not feel like I want to go away. You know what do that to me? Why am I not drink it much no more? Hennessy. Oh, in my turn. Hennessy do that to you?
People blind in front of me. Yeah, it does. I don't like drinking dark liquor overall.
Casamigos
I'm a
girl.
white type of baby. I'm a white girl.
Yeah.
Ray and nephew, I always go for that. But what do you have in
Where you doing it exactly? Why throw it down so?
I don't know. I feel like the bartender kind of just put a lot more.
Yes. When you go to the event, you see CARNIVAL event.
Them with junkia.
Girl. You forget last year upon the road?
Them plan for you and junkia. No, but me I've never gotten hangover from Ray and nephew like that bad before. Like the whole day of my shopping now.
Me see you, man.
Mash right down, my belly feel hot. Me feel hot.
Honestly, yeah, that's why I don't do the Hennessy. I don't like the Hennessy. Hennessy mash me up like that. I don't depend that with it. That's how one thing will mash me up. I don't know, like them put some extra and enough people may hear it do so. You know, it not only do that to me, it make my head feel fuzzy. It make me feel like my head light.
Tastes like metal.
Oh yes, your mouth tastes like metal for the whole day afterwards. Your foot bottom for some reason just feel like it. I don't know, for me it just hurt me.
Foot bottom not hurt me.
It's just like I feel
mash up.
And then if you have to drink water, so you have to cleanse the system, the water tastes so bad.
It does.
I don't like that. I don't love that at all. So I don't bother with that. When I hear people are going on, I don't know what them taste, but me not taste it. So my favorite thing to drink is I'll go with Casamigos, but to a point. Because you see, if you don't know what I do with Casamigos drop your ground. Wicked. More do the Appleton not do me so bad right away. It's like everything in moderation, but easy for me. NSC, no. It's just a no. I did my first TikTok one. I'm gonna post it yet. I go my upstairs enough clip and put it up.
And Sugar come. It's okay, Tisha. It's not too short. You can put this.
So go ahead, check me out on TikTok. You know, it's the same name as my IG name. So go ahead, check me out. Okay. Change my ear. Oh my gosh, I can't even see because it's so like, yeah, when we can't see it, little no. But yeah, so may I go to gym, obviously, from yesterday I had Bunny on. So guys, can you believe so last night I just alright. I not even get to pick up the camera. Like my daddy said me I get some TikTok content. I'm not even editing none of that yet. But your girl's popping out for this weekend. Okay, the weekend like start for me tonight. Cause we telling her yesterday, say I go to the concert later. Right now, mega gym. I woke up so early this morning. Woke up from 7:30. What's gonna wake up from 7 o'clock? I know so that not so early for someone, but yeah, for me, like, cause literally I went to bed, and the thing is, I go to bed so late because I'm always like most of the time working. So I went to bed like after 2 going to 3. I think, yeah, to 3 is when I went to bed. So then people are cross on the green like what? But yeah, so yeah, I go to bed to 3 this morning, and I'm so tired, but I don't set myself say yo, I have to wake up early today. Get to the gym because we have a 12 o'clock appointment for Tracy, because I never do my pedicure from over so because it never make no sense to me. I said better I just do it so. But could I do my nails here so too, but I'm just excited to kind of get my nails done at that point, and my nails kind of just go with what I'm wearing, even though I kind of stained them a little bit with the dye last night. But when I reached home last night, I went ahead and I did wash my hair. Cami braided it up for me and everything, so my hair very fresh. And then I dyed 3 wigs, guys. Sorry, I'm not in the eye contact because you know my face watch the road, but yeah, so 3 wigs, all of them jet black. Guys, you know how I feel about jet black. I don't know, I've always loved jet black hair, you know, but it's just like since recent time I started. So I don't know if you remember that wig. I'm not gonna remember, maybe because I have on this, but it's one of them nice Swiss lace short wig there. One of the straight one, that one here suck onto my head back, like you'd think it's really growing from my head. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on. So this is what I want, what I will be wearing later. So guys, the way the diet I go good, like me they kind of have to just kind of scale back a little bit, because it was like, yeah, get me lean, like me that get lean out way too quick. So like yesterday me did have to reintroduce some more carbs and stuff like back into what I was eating. Anyways, I guess I can show you guys my gym session today. Yeah, let's go to the gym. Guys, when I win that weapon, them when me catch me. Oh God.
Oh, you do?
Me good man.
You go to America? Take me a picture, me boy.
Oh! You can have a picture.
Oh! Have a nice day. God love you and God bless you. For you have Jaguar, Range Rover, and big house and can help your family.
Elena, the window wiper did not pass me. It not pass me. Listen. Oh God. Let's go to the gym. Let's go.
Kingdom, 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 suka kingdom, 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 suka kingdom.
I think you could have better for wait for people. I think you're going to make me go before you. The nails aren't giving. They're giving.
12 o'clock slot. You book for afternoon.
Shut up. Shut up. The nails are giving what they're supposed to give. Let me see it. Ooh, really nice. Love it. Love it. Alright. Alright, so finish at the nail salon. Big up to Tracy. I do my toes them. Because y'all know I'm not changing my fingernail. I'm so like loving these nails. As I said, let me get like a stain off from last night. But you know, I'm going to continue to really scrub the hand. Like you know, the dye hard for come off. So I sit down here so now I can't even really get close. Let me see if I can show you. Cute, right? I'm loving the toes. Nice like a French vibe. And I can't wait to go home and like, you know, put some curls in this hair. But I'm so happy to go ahead and just get ready and get cute for the first time. Since I've been here, I kind of was just, you know, just did a hoosa. You know, kind of just get myself ready for really go outside. Yeah, no, Shami, actually I buy box food. Should I buy box food? If you come tease me. But yeah, so she buy her food and make sure I buy one Irish mask because that Irish mask, yo, it tastes so good. So I'ma drink that and just a water. I'ma go home now. I'ma eat my dinner. I had lunch while I was at the salon and stuff. So we're actually going to tweak our wings a little bit. Did I tell you that, guys, earlier on? Don't remember, but yeah, we're gonna do that. So we're gonna drop our wings and stuff. Yeah, and then after that we're going to head home, get ready for the guys. Back at it. I'm gonna show you Cami outfit. Really enough, so guys, I'm gonna start letting people yes. She restyled these boots that she wore for her birthday. They look so good. Put down the glasses now. Yeah. So yeah, turn that way up. Oh, the light better that way up. So everybody has to just shots and stuff. But me not care. Listen, uncle. We should put us the people in there. People have been a crap top on that's already. Listen, it's okay. Wear your clothes. Wear your clothes. Wear your clothes. Guys, I understand we love dress up. We love dress up. I don't really care who wants to look extra, you know. It's a concert, you know? Yeah. Thank you. We're finally getting, guys. Finally. Finally get the visa.
Music chose me, just notice and notice. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love you seen the way to me, I do with the world I've seen her. Yeah, nobody will be over. Not the Lord that they go far. Who's the boy that they pass?
Now rest the tired. I'm going to come to you. Comfortable. That's why I reach early. Only when you reach early, you can get them to me after easy, you know.
Talking about you, must be something about you. Music right now.
Thank you. So don't you ever let me down again. 'Cause I'm depending on you, so you better come through this time. Blessing my time, and if I ever let you down, my friend, it was a misunderstanding. So if I took you for granted, 'cause I promised you today I would love like I never done with, like I never went while I never want to go. Just to show you I'm sorry, and I need you back in my life.
I'm in glory, oh no, it's what you know. So I've been wanting you, girl, missing you, wanting you, girl. Don't you know your love is? Wanting you, girl, missing you, wanting you, girl. I'm they're calling murder. When I be on with my stuff, say something still.
One blood, one blood, one blood.
Finally the earth's come around.
Go my way.
for years. Put up your lights up.
Next day, oh my gosh, I say I just bed, left the gym. But if you get for sure on the gym session today, no, don't see one gym session. So me actually go put the two of them together, but guys, I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't map for my last gym session before Carnival backside, no. I told my god look concert last night, you know, and guys, Shami just did her lashes. They look so good.
Pay the ear and the earring, no earring.
No man, them lashes there, them look really nice.
Lash artist for one with thyself.
Lash by LC she go, but it's not Latte Edward. The artist.
Lash artist.
She do it really nice.
Angle it.
It's like, oh, it's so fluffy. It's a very nice soft look. Love it. I love it so much. I just finished edit. I get ready with me TikTok. Look at me. Even though when I go back. When I go back to my yard.
I better try keep it up if I even 1 week.
No, I'm not talking about that. Them not want ban it over there, so.
Oh, right.
As soon as me start create like a content over here. And tomorrow again. Tomorrow I do the get ready with me for Petite-Sue. When it says, you gotta check that out because what's a little time I want to get ready for that. Wait, yeah. Guys, oh my gosh, it's been nice so far. The event was nice last night. Honestly, listen, at first we felt weird because we felt like a little overdressed, like everybody was looking at us, but it's like one life, wear where you want wear, anywhere you want wear. And I feel like those were perfect concert like outfits. But I feel like overall soca, when you hear soca, you just be like, alright, one little crop top and one shot. But yeah, it's like I'm a dress up, you know, even though tonight I'm not gonna lie, I'm just wearing like a nice little bralette and a shorts cause I do it. I don't know, dress up, you don't know already. We're not doing makeup.
Put out one disclaimer say don't wear no
yeah, we're not gonna do wear things we have no plan for. Yeah, we plan for throw away because who's gonna wash out that paint? Not me and stuff. So my we're at tonight and something, and then when we reach home we just get ready. We're gonna actually do some deliveries now from the week sale. By the way, shout out to everybody that supported the week sale. Oh my gosh, I'm so grateful. We're so grateful.
Angle.
Yeah, and of course I'm gonna give you updates for the next week's sale when that's going to happen. So just stay tuned and follow the Divinity Glam. Alright, so guys, as it we got ready for Juve now. And this is my shoes for my full fit. But guys, I just remember somebody never show what they in the goodie bag them. So I got a goodie bag from Bacchanal and a goodie bag from Exodus, because you know, so the two bags go together for this season. So guys, I kind of cheated. I'm done going in a Bacchanal box and sling. Wait, I wrong way. No, alright way. It's just the way I show up on the camera. But yeah, I don't put this on Bacchanal at on. So yeah, these came in the goodie bag. Okay. So alright, so now I still go back to the bacchanal box. Kind of mismatch. Listen, I just browse through it. So I got this cup. This cup is so cute. It says Exodus and it says Smirnoff. Get these. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. But the only reason why I'm not wearing this tonight is because I don't feel like to show everything when I'm bag. I mean, a few little dozen, so I don't need to expose every little something. So yeah, got that. Deodorant, super glue, ginger tea. Got this little kerchief or bandana, whatever you want to call it. Then we get the fan. That's a fan. I'm happy about that. I can actually go. Okay, 230. It powerful, man.
Yeah, nice little fan.
This nice. Time, Martino, guys, it hot like a summer already. I don't know. Everywhere hot. And I just said so. Alright, so I also got a bunch of little like cards and stuff in there. Oh, what them ambanya?
Oh, you road there, sitting, put them up good. One for food and one for jump.
Got a whistle. And that's it for the bag. I really like the bag. It's a nice little bag. Oh, I also got this. I try to take them out already, you know. They put good amount of stuff in there, man. I got these shades. This one is Smirnoff. This one says Lucozade. I got snacks in this bag too. I got Doritos, popcorners. No, this is not from. This is from Bacchanal. And nacho chips. Yeah, so that's what I got in here. It's enough for the Bacchanal. This is done out already. Jump back to the Bacchanal box, right? Nice red box. I don't know the classic red box. So I got this crackers, says Licious, lightly salted saladitas. Then we got tortilla chips. This box is filled with stuff. I mean, I eat one already. So got another Licious multigrain crackers. Got Saldanza's tortilla chips, and got, you know, Rode cup. And then the final snack in this box is a cheese puff. And then I got this hat. And I got another whistle. Can make beer nice. I got this card. Basically, it's for Beju. You know, if you go buy some of there, you can get one free tote bag. So yeah, that's everything that I got in my goodie packages. And I'm so pumped.
I'm trying to get water too.
Oh, rotted water. Guys, forgive me for peeking in here, because we're actually ready for rush hour. A whole lot of snacks. One thing, we can't hungry a road. They must make sure say we cannot hungry. Me know I'm belly full. Come on now, but you get the gist. The people they must try encourage you to eat food. Don't come on the road and drink liquor and you know say you're hungry and you never eat. We're gonna let me show you the feet, because I did tell you guys I was gonna show you the feet. Love it. I love the little, you know, your top.
It was $2 at most.
So nice. I love the Bacchanal, and you notice we're just normal out tonight. No makeup, nothing. But it's still giving. This is me. Guys, the sneakers here. The shorts here. Bacchanal, Fashion Nova. Yeah, the two of them are from Fashion Nova, Bacchanal. We're rich. Walking in. A beer nice out here. Beer nice.
I go by the name of Fireman. Turn on the video. We reach a serious spot in the party right now.
Before I get to the jump wave.
Alright guys, so we reach the party. I never take you guys through the get ready with me, because we did a get ready with me for Petite-Sue. So go ahead and check that out. Oh, let me show you guys our outfit. Listen, can't have the expectation now because why we reach what? 2 hours late, 2.5 hours late, and no, them not letting nobody.
Long line out here.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. You make me feel low. Get there for my soul. That's what I go like. I'll be waiting. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and make me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look to you. I'm
Is anybody ready to get on the road for Carnival on Sunday inside of here? What is the 2 things we come to do in Jamaica right now? We wanna drink. Say what? We are we come to party this morning. Let's go. See you best friend up in the you want
We don't run a one part. They'll show me that no tournament. That's a little vlog. So me say that no tournament. Hey, we actually night one tomorrow road match. Everybody have all them mash up, you know. Everybody have all them mash up and then road match. All the time. Trying to we need some iron. Mr. Somebody, subscriber saw us a while ago, guys. Because just like, oh, we change our ear color. What's that? Yeah. Blue, midnight blue. It's pretty. Really nice. Hey, guys, earthquake from a while ago. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we went all the way from Driscoll to Definite End. All the way. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to go. We listen, them said the road might car from 6 o'clock in the morning. It's just like when you hear the preparation, it's like, what? And me hear so them have big stuff at my airport yesterday. I was like, what? That should have been me when I was coming in Monday. But I know that kind of too far out. It's just like, oh my gosh, even though it did happen last year, I do understand that a lot of people never partake because of, you know, the pandemic and stuff.
It was just a makeup for them.
It was a makeup. It wasn't like official. This year at the official return.
Yeah.
You understand? Like, oh my gosh, it's going to be so late. Yeah. But then why not? Guys, me not like there's so many people right now I see online that they're like, yo, them park up and tired, and I can relate. We have done what, 3 events, and I'm like, I definitely
2 of which were back to back.
Every night did back to back.
Right, yeah, for true.
Every day did back to back.
Yeah, for true.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and we're going straight into Sunday. The only thing I'm happy with how today happened, because it's early in the morning, so we'll have the whole day to the night. So far, oh my gosh, so far, let me tell you, the best event is the one where we never planned for, and that's the Kiss concert.
Yeah, Kiss win. The concert win.
Kiss, let me tell you, Bacchanal, Juve, me know say go on, but we never stay for the entire time because, you know, we did have to leave to get ready for go. So, hey, guys, me tell you how serious some people be. Somebody that was at Juve, me see the man walking with him paint up. Is that the man, if I remember what time sunrise probably start? I probably remember I said, Bomba, sunrise are going, I'm going to have my ticket and it now go, yes. The man comes straight at sunrise.
Paint
up. And I'm like, okay.
That is Carnival right there.
That is the vibe. Yeah, the man serious walking. Yeah, because the man is just here to vibe. Today, I never go to the gym. I never stress out myself because I had an event and all of that. I never go, like, You know, overdo nothing and make myself get extremely tired.
Go look for my fanny pack when we were last year.
Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm gonna do for fanny pack. I really don't know. I'm gonna just sling on across, but I'm so happy I have the string on the camera.
You sure you want to do that?
What?
Well, I never have a choice.
I don't have a choice. Last year I never have no string.
Yeah.
That was crazy for me. I dropped the camera so many times. Yeah, it's always great to have a string for your camera. So I'm not gonna put the tripod on it because that's just too much for the road. And my phone, and that's it. That's it. And you know what? I tried to not stretch out like the previous clips in terms of the parties too much because the main event here is really jump up day. So I never really stretch out, you know, the party clip them that much. This so. And guys, remember, I'm telling you something. Your support is always so greatly appreciated because at the end of the day, I think I told you guys this before. These vlogs don't get monetized, okay? They always get demonetized. Always. Because the bugger whining and all of that, and you know, for the culture sake, I'm still just put it up because it's vibes and it brings me joy to watch it back.
Oh my god, the best thing is to watch a carnival vlog out of season.
I genuinely love this, okay? But yeah, guys, I'm going home now.
I'm going home.
I am going home to reset my body for the morning.
Tell them pass the rum, ice. You bless the woman and wine. Watch how the party turn up tonight. Because we out and bad and the people felt that we causing trouble. Just watch how we causing trouble. Everybody buying bottles.
Watch this. Guys, Travis, pick we up. I say, yo, Travis, wait, boy.
Travis,
I go alpha. Hey, watch out here. I say, God, God bless Travis, see? I say, when Travis reach me, just have put on the costume, you know?
That's why we have to love Travis still, you know.
I pop something, pop. Jesus Christ. No. Right now, my shoes me I put on. Let me say, I do rush, yes. While I do TikTok get ready with me, I know me not done to get ready with me. I feel like it reach it. I say oversleep, you know, guys.
Yeah, we wake up half hour late.
I'm sorry for this abrupt jump. No little when I wake up, no, cause when I wake up I run. You see, because my daddy and me say me have to edit me. You see, guys, me never started edit the vlog the last night. You would not get it today, when I watch it on Monday. I don't know, so I don't operate like that. You don't have to get the vlog on time. Oh, I watch carnival vlogs so long after carnival going. No, so I have to commit my time. I'm going to say, may I sit down tonight and sleep? Did that kill me? I'm going to reach 41 minutes into the vlog. So I just have to add in the rest of the clip them. And somebody make sure me say, so you're trying to upload that vlog without the carnival part, you know? Jump up there. Alright. See the holy. So show me there. Oh, you look good. Guys, you see I'm gonna do my makeup. I love my makeup. Yeah, thanks. Yes. I'm gonna say this year I'm gonna put gem on my face. I never want about. I don't know something really in the color. I just said I gotta do one concrete, but all time that one. But it still come out good. You know, I never really go wear the headpiece, but you see because I wig me I do. You have to move with strategy because you have to hold the wig down in that sun here. Now I need to put on. What you not get real time? Partial get ready with me, right? Carnival, who does that? Come on Carnival Day you want to look your best. What look good still? I think hopefully we're not forgetting nothing. We'll make sure put this on first and not show me tell me if we put this on first.
I don't know I would have forget it.
What else? You have to put on something? Man, not lie. La vlog ya festive. You want some of mine? You have?
No, I have.
Guys, so I'm going to give you a little what's in my carnival fanny pack. I have one fan, my key. I have my lip gloss. I have my Panadol in case my head hurt. I have some cash. And I have my phone. Right? I'm gonna have a vlog camera, huh? So that's what's in my carnival fanny pack. Okay. Yeah.
So them on the road.
Already. Alright guys, we reach the march, they up there so. Why? When the people getting a nice picture.
Yo, she was this hour you representing for D Ninja Productions. Yo, D Ninja, what them say? Ready up, tell them pass the rum, ice. The place full of woman and pint. Watch how the party turn up tonight. Because we out and bad and the people fed that we causing trouble. Just watch how we causing trouble. Everybody buying bottles. Well, after we causing trouble. Somebody give me room to mash up the space. Front to the back, so jump up and away. Whole place shell is madness in here. Bring everything way up in the air. Show them up there. Front to the back, so jump up and away. Whole place shell is madness in here. Bring everything way up in the air. Show them up there. Look, they want me already. They go put me arms, Lord. Right up, brother. Right up, boy. This is that kind of stupidness is not allowed, Lord. Right up, brother. Right up, boy. Why them know what good for them? They go listen to we kind of music and rhythm.
And it's back.
Different kind of vibes. Different kind of vibes.
Well, everybody know. 1, 2, 3,
Making me go crazy.
Every girl stop bend over and wine. Bend over. Do it again. Watch you. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get up in front like a clothesline. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get up and we let her back just a bit.
We're going to lunch now. We can't just settle for the first time from wake up. From wake up, we're not settling. Guys, it's been a rush from getting ready to getting on the road to taking pictures to photographers seeing us. It's been a struggle, but we not look bad. I'm grateful for that. Like, we not look bad. But the thing is, like about half our costume gone because the body piece it bust off, the arm pieces they're gone. I'm pretty sure when you first saw us, when you first saw me on the camera, half of the costume gone. When you first saw us, I had on a body chain. No, me not have on none of that. All of that gone. So it's like, but we having fun. You having a good time? I am. The wing, y'all left the wing. Y'all left the wing. You show me I leave the wing. I feel like I'm gonna leave the wing yesterday too. Because the wing is a lot of work. It not stay straight. I'm a camera when the wing not stay straight.
Yes, I feel nice. Ooh,
but it's a vibe. It's actually a vibe. I think the rain dog are falling out.
We're doing it about white. I leave with my shoulder.
Yeah, because it's not that heavy, but it's just that here isn't that stable. So wait, them not what me I say? And so much people reach here. That's crazy. But yeah. Checking in. Anyways, when you see we next, we're going. Okay, them open the gates. We'll go for lunch.
Massage is down there.
Massage. Free massage.
Yes.
One massage.
Complimentary drink.
Okay. All right. Right. swell up. Oh yes. Oh Lord, I needed this.
Ladies and gentlemen, at 2:25, we're gonna be rolling off. So we'll get the lunch.
Guys, this is heaven. I love this.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Remember,
Last night when I did the vlog for you guys,
find the
when I got up from my
representative.
desk, my feet were swollen. Swollen. I'm have to sleep with my foot them upwards. So I need this foot massage right now. Okay. This feels so good. Alright. She me a comedy. She have her lunch. You could only get one though.
Yeah, my foot were up. Come on, girl.
Hey, that should have full long. This shoe was a long time. Listen, me know say if me did go for the lunch. I want to pop it on.
I'm happy they were here. My God. I love coming in strong. I love that. Love it. The time on the road feels so good, guys. So good. Watch the people them in here about to be so full. My happy so we did there at the front. Look how much people are pulling up, guys. It's way more than last year. Thank you. I need to stop her too. So you should probably put it there too.
Guys, so we're ready for the road again. Get massage, we eat food, belly full.
But this time,
yeah.
it doesn't look like this.
Convenient, bad. Super nice.
This guy blue.
And we decided to keep our wings. We actually thought we were going to leave it, but we're keeping it. And we're going on to the next leg, the next half, the final half of the jump up day. It's been great so far. So, this is when people usually get really mad. Let me hear you say
I don't know about this right now. I'm talking to the ladies. My genre of music is called bashment soca. So Jamaica we close. Watch. Shut watch. Go. Active. Activate. Go back and make the beats like a jet ski. Go in away, kings too like a destiny. Jamaica, you know. If you did not know what you know.
So you better come through this time. Please hear my cry. And if I ever let you down, my friend,